The world is rapidly changing, and so is the job market. By 2030, new technologies and industries will create demand for specialized skills in STEM. In today's video, we'll explore the STEM majors that will be most in demand over the next decade, helping you choose a future-proof career. STEM, science, technology, engineering, and math, is the foundation of the modern world. From developing AI and renewable energy to combating climate change, STEM professionals will shape the future. The demand for data scientists and AI experts is exploding as companies rely on data for decision-making. Majors in data science, artificial intelligence, and machine learning will be at the forefront of this change. By 2030, businesses, healthcare, and governments will need professionals to analyze large datasets, develop AI applications, and make strategic decisions based on real-time data. Job roles in data science and AI include data analysts, machine learning engineers, and AI specialists, with salaries averaging over $120,000 per year. With the increase in cyber threats and the rise of digital infrastructure, protecting data and networks has become critical. A major in cybersecurity or information security will be essential. Why it's in demand: the rise in cyberattacks targeting personal, corporate, and governmental data requires professionals skilled in safeguarding sensitive information. By 2030, the cybersecurity industry is expected to grow significantly. Job roles such as cybersecurity analyst, ethical hacker, and information security manager will offer high salaries and job security. As countries transition to cleaner energy sources, there will be a growing need for engineers who can innovate in wind, solar, and bioenergy. The global push for sustainability and reducing carbon footprints will demand more renewable energy professionals. Majors in environmental engineering and renewable energy will become crucial. By 2030, renewable energy jobs are expected to grow, with positions such as solar engineers, wind turbine technicians, and energy consultants. Biotech and genetic engineering will play an increasing role in healthcare, agriculture, and environmental conservation. By 2030, breakthroughs in gene editing, personalized medicine, and biotechnology will require skilled professionals to develop new treatments and products. Fields like biomedical engineering, biotech research, and pharmaceutical development will experience a surge, with positions like biotech engineers and genetic counselors being in high demand. Automation is transforming industries such as manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture. A major in robotics engineering or mechatronics will prepare you for this future. With industries seeking efficiency and precision, robotics will become central to production lines and even everyday tasks. Automated systems will replace human labor in many sectors. Job roles like robotics engineer, automation specialist, and autonomous systems engineer will see high demand. As the effects of climate change become more pronounced, environmental scientists and sustainability experts will be needed to develop solutions. By 2030, governments and businesses will invest heavily in climate resilience, carbon reduction, and sustainable development. STEM majors focusing on the environment will be crucial. Opportunities in climate science, conservation, environmental policy, and sustainable development will increase, with environmental engineers and climate change analysts being key roles. Biomedical engineers apply engineering principles to healthcare, working on innovations such as artificial organs, medical devices, and diagnostic machines. With advancements in healthcare technologies and an aging population, biomedical engineers will be vital in improving medical treatments and devices. Fields such as prosthetics design, medical imaging, and bioinformatics will see strong growth, with high-paying roles like biomedical engineer and medical device developer. Software is the backbone of modern technologies, from smartphones to autonomous vehicles. A degree in software development or computer engineering will continue to be highly sought after. As businesses expand their digital presence and automation becomes more prevalent, there will be a constant demand for software developers to create and maintain systems. Software developers, systems architects, and DevOps engineers are among the highest-paying STEM careers, and by 2030, demand will remain strong. STEM majors will shape the future. Whether you're interested in data, AI, renewable energy, or environmental science, the opportunities are vast. By choosing one of these in-demand majors, you'll be setting yourself up for a rewarding and future-proof career. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which STEM major you're most interested in. Stay tuned for more career and education advice.